Great project managers are those that fire up the hearts and minds of their stakeholders, teams, and customers. It's the ability to recognise the softer skills, the human element of projects, that turns an average project manager into a great project manager. If you're an experienced project lead or someone that manages a project alongside your day job, the Soft Skills for Project Managers workshop builds on your existing technical project skills and provides structured techniques so that you can master how to identify and prioritise stakeholders so you positively influence the right ones. Develop your influencing strategy and deploy structured negotiation techniques. And build and lead an effective and productive team, delivering your project on time and on budget.